Recently, we have installed a rock breaker and pipeline on backhoe loader of Axon Construction Equipment's ACE AX124 model, powered by an Kirlosker engine. The inside view of the cabin, you can see the switches for light and everything. At the top of the thing, you can see the switch mounted for rock breaker and the foot pedal for rock breaker. The front view, pressure and return hoses, left side pressure line, right side return line. The left side view, it is completely bolted kit except the hammer block mounting plate. We have made holes on the arm using a magnetic drill machine. What we are seeing on the boom, this is the pressure line. The hose going inside the boom. On the other end, there is a bulkhead adapter. There are two provisions given on the carriage. These two hoses, what you see, smooth finish super hose. The left side from breaker pressure line, the right side from breaker return line. And it is going to a half-inch bulkhead adapter. In the front, we see the three hoses. Those are machine's existing connections, but where I show you in between, that is a pressure hose, and at the bottom, this is a return hose for the breaker. The pressure hose will get connect to the rock breaker flow divider valve. We were seeing the hammer block or FTV or rock breaker valve. We have made a special bracket and welded it on machine chassis. This is a hose that is coming from the front loader control valve. The existing hose was 1-inch BSP spiral hose. We have used the same spiral hose, 1-inch BSP. It was complicated because of relocating. So we have made some elbows for easy fitment. The other side of the hammer block. The hammer block is in series connection. The hose what I am showing you from the hammer block, it is going to the backhoe control valve. This hose was also a spiral hose, 1-inch BSP. Because of the shorter length after FDV installation, we have changed the hose from 1-inch spiral to 3/4 spiral. Okay, now you can see at the top of the FDV flow adjuster, at the right side of the FDV, 12-volt solenoid coil with cartridge. earth wire for the solenoid is given there itself. This hose is the breaker return hose. This hose we have connected to the manifold block with the use of specialty. There was actually a 1-inch R1 hose. We have changed it to 3x4 R2 hose. So we have used a 3x4 BSP specialty adapter. The FDV tank line 1x4 BSP hose also we have given in the specialty itself. Now we are going to test the breaker performance. The relief pressure was set to 170 bar. Operating pressure was somewhere around 130 to 140 bar.